Pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. One drop of rain on your window pane doesn't mean to say there's a thunderstorm coming. The rain may pour for an hour or more, but it doesn't matter, you know it doesn't matter. One gentle breeze blowing through the trees doesn't mean to say there's a hurricane coming. Don't start running every time you hear it coming, 'cause it doesn't matter, you know it doesn't matter. One little word that you made overheard doesn't mean to say that my love for you is dying. Don't start crying over second headline, 'cause it doesn't matter, you know it doesn't matter. It's a storm in a teacup brewing after almost any little trouble. It's a storm in a teacup. It really doesn't matter if it's pitter pitter patter or a pop 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 second and lying. It doesn't matter, you know it doesn't matter. It's a storm in a teacup brewing up trouble, almost any little trouble. It's a storm in a teacup. It really doesn't matter if it's pitter pitter patter or pop 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 pop. Well, hi there pluckers, Arbor Sorpings again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This one's from the Fortunes from around about 1971 I think, and Storm in a Teacup, okay, big hit for them. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the original recordings. Right then boys and girls, let me hopefully show you how I played this. Okay, so the first opening riff I'm playing palm muted, so back edge of the hand, resting very lightly on the thicker strings near the bridge somewhere, to give you that sort of muffly, thuddy sort of bass sound. Okay, you can play it open, but it rings a bit much, I think. Sound a bit messy. Okay, so the actual riff is basically open 5th string to 2 open 4th strings, the D string. Okay, then you do that again, so you do that twice. Then you do the second on the 5th, open 5th. Got that? Then you go and hit the 4th string twice again. Then the open A, so it's and the open A, and then 2 more hits on the D string. Then the second on the 5th, open 5th. Got that? That's the opening riff. Okay, so okay, then we go. Then it's pitter patter, and that is 2 hits on the D string, second on the 5th, open A. Pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. Okay, got that? Do that 4 times, or as many as you want. I think they do it 8 times on the record actually. But so from the beginning, very slowly. Pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. Got that? Right. Then we're into the first verse, and we're starting on a D chord, right? One drop of rain on your window pane is D major 7. That's just a simple bar across the first 3 strings, 2nd fret with the first finger, 5 downwards. Okay, should sound like that. D major 7. So one drop of rain on your window pane. D7, straightforward D7. Doesn't mean to say there's a G. That form of G, or that form of G, whichever G you want to play. Okay. So it's one drop of rain on your window pane. Doesn't mean to say there's a thunderstorm coming. Right? Now we do an F sharp minor 7th. That's a bar on the 2nd fret with your first finger, and a single 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the 5th string, the A string. You can play an F sharp minor if you like, that way, so you could do a simple F sharp minor if you want. Okay, so you don't have to do the bar chord, but that's preferable. F sharp minor 7 or an F sharp minor, or like that. Okay, so one drop of rain on your window pane doesn't mean to say there's a thunderstorm coming. Rain is falling. You can do it with a simple F sharp minor, but preferable F sharp minor 7. Okay, then to a B minor or a B minor 7, whichever you like the sound of or can play. B minor, simple B minor, like that, or a B minor 7. So it's a bar on the 2nd fret again. B minor, minor shape with pinky off. B minor 7 or a B minor, whichever you wish can play. Okay, so far, one drop of rain on your window, D major D7, G, da 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 da, F sharp minor or F sharp minor 7, da 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 da, and it doesn't matter. Is E minor 7, just a simple 2nd fret of the 5th string, whichever finger you want. I'm using my 2nd. All 6 strings. Simple chord, E minor 7. Okay, so one drop of rain on your window pane doesn't mean to say there's a thunderstorm coming. Rain may pour for an hour or more, 'cause it doesn't matter, you know it. A sus4. It's an A chord with your pinky up on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So you just move that pinky up, from the 2nd fret to the 3rd fret, and then to the A. So it's doesn't matter, you know it. Back to A, doesn't matter. And that's the verse. And it's the same for all the verses. Okay, so all the way from the beginning, okay, very slowly. Pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. One drop of rain on your window pane doesn't mean to say that you doesn't hear it coming. Rain may pour for an hour or more. You know it doesn't matter. You know it doesn't matter. Then with verse 2, exactly the same as verse 1 to play, different words. One gentle breeze blowing softly through the trees. Military say there's a hurricane coming. Don't start running every time you hear it coming, 'cause it doesn't matter, you know it doesn't matter. Next verse, exactly the same. One little word may have overheard doesn't mean to say that my refuge is dying. Don't start crying over second hand lying, 'cause it doesn't matter, you know it doesn't matter. Now we come to the chorus, right? Okay, it's a storm. So from that ending of that, doesn't matter, no it doesn't matter. It's a storm is D, and you hang it out, storm carries on. So it's a storm to a G. I'm using a 4-finger G. You can use a 3-finger G or a 4-finger G, whichever you want. That's doubling up on the top 2 strings, 3rd fret, 4-finger G, or a standard G is fine. Okay. It's a D small G in a teacup, B minor or B minor 7th, E7. So it's a B minor, quick simple B minor or a B minor or a B minor 7th, whichever you like the sound of, to E7. That's an E chord with the 3rd finger off. So it's a storm in a teacup, brewing up double, almost A sus, little trouble A. And then it just repeats that whole thing again. Okay, so from the end of the last verse, where it doesn't matter, it really doesn't matter, it's a storm in a teacup, brewing up trouble, almost any little trouble, it's a storm in a teacup, it really doesn't matter if it's pitter-patter all of the day. Then it does an instrumental verse, okay? Ba 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 Another verse. One little word that you may have overheard doesn't mean to say that my love for you is dying. Don't start crying over second-hand lying. Say it doesn't matter, you know it doesn't. Another chorus. It's a storm in a teacup, brewing up trouble, almost any little trouble. It's a storm in a teacup, it really doesn't matter if it's pitter-patter-patter all day. Another instrumental verse. That's how I finished it. On the record, they go back into another verse, the one drop of rain on your window pane, etc., etc., and they just go round and round that verse until it fades out. So I just finished it on the instrumental bit, okay? But that's how the record finishes. He goes, one drop of rain on your window pane doesn't mean to say there's a thunderstorm coming. Rain may fall for an hour or more. It doesn't matter, it really doesn't matter. It's a storm. And so on, just fades out on that bit. So there it was, girls. My take on Storm in a Teacup from the Fortunes from about 1971. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.